Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Okay, Amazon sale haul time. Okay, what is coming out of the box? I'm just going to put the box here because there's a bunch of things in here and we're going to see what we have. First up, ta-da! This guy. This is my Ninja Blast. Very excited for this. I saw all the reels, the reviews. I asked on Instagram before buying this, okay, and everybody was like, get it, get it, get it. So that's what we have done. Ta ta da da. Pretty cool looking. It's actually really light. I thought it would be much heavier. So I think you have to charge it first, obviously. Then you put in some water, some fruit, and all of that, and then just blend. Or you make a smoothie with some Greek yogurt and just blend. I'm going to do a full proper review for you guys later, but there's a great deal on right now during the sale, so get it now if you want to get it. Oh, this is so if you guys remember, I did a jewelry, I had this jewelry organizer that I bought for travel last year. I will put the reel here. I wanted a bigger one as well, so that is not enough for me because I have a lot of jewelry. So I did see a bigger one, which is like a pouch kind of a format, so I got this one. You know, you can just put your jewelry in here like this. And the reason I got this is because for my thicker bracelets and cuffs and stuff, with that file there wasn't much space here. This is more like a bit of a, you know, proper pouch, and I can fit in more jewelry. So depending on the kind of trip that I'm taking, or even just to store your jewelry, really handy like this. And it comes with extra pouches, so you can literally put your jewelry into this and store this. These are the ultimate jewelry organizers. Like if you see the other reel, you will see I have traveled so much with that last year. So got this one, really nice. I don't remember another large box. So I order a lot of stuff from Amazon, guys. A lot of home stuff, a lot of random stuff, a lot of stuff to review. Let's see what we have. It's a bit of a mystery box. Oh, okay. So I was running out of glass bottles in the house, so I got a bunch of these. I will show you only one because they're all the same. And I usually order my glass bottles off Amazon, or I drink from old wine bottles. But we don't have enough wine bottles right now. It's a sign I've not been drinking enough. But no, got these because I thought they look really nice and they're perfect. I don't like the very big wide mouth ones because I feel like you can't drink straight from them. Like this is perfect. So got a bunch of these. Two more things inside my bag. Oh, okay. So this is my migraine relief cap. Okay. A lot of you recommended this because I get a lot of migraines and people were like, this is amazing. You're supposed to freeze it and then put it onto your head like when it's chilled like this, and it's supposed to work wonders. So yeah, we got that. If you have migraines, I guess you can get this as well. I will try and do to buy or not to buy reviews for the one items that are relevant here. And what is this? What is this? I don't even know. Oh, Bindi Book. Okay, so firstly, I did not know there is such a thing as a Bindi Book. Did you know that? First, answer that question. I did not know this exists, but for some odd reason, Amazon thought I would be intrigued by it, even though I almost wear a bindi maybe once a year or once every 2 years. I don't know. I just like, look at this. How insane is this? There's literally like, okay, I'm going to bring it closer so you can see. There's literally like every color. There is like just basic, you know, diamond type stones, and it's a book. It's an actual bindi book. Like it's a book. Like I was like, this is a thing now. When did this become a thing? How did I not know about this? And I was like, I also want a bindi book, so I got a bindi book for the next time I wear something desi. Or I thought this could be really cool, like if you're going to a music festival also, right? Like sometimes you want the same color of a lot of bindis. So I thought it could be nice. You can like line your brows here or your lashes on the side. People do a lot of these two ticklies. So yeah, got the Bindi book. That is all, my friends. I think that is the first half of my Amazon sale haul, and the rest you'll see in something else. See you guys.